Hello class. Today, we're going to learn about the different forms of the future tense in English. Let's get started. The first form is the simple future tense. We use it to describe actions that will happen in the future. The structure is will plus the base form of the verb. For example, I will eat lunch. This means that the action of eating lunch will happen in the future. Next, we have the future continuous tense. We use it to describe actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, I will be eating lunch at 1 p.m. This means that at 1 p.m. in the future, the action of eating lunch will be happening. The third form is the future perfect tense. We use it to describe actions that will be completed before a certain point in the future. For example, I will have eaten lunch by 2 p.m. This means that by 2 p.m. in the future, the action of eating lunch will be finished. Finally, we have the future perfect continuous tense. We use it to describe actions that will be ongoing up until a certain point in the future. For example, I will have been eating lunch for an hour by 2 p.m. This means that by 2 p.m. in the future, the action of eating lunch will have been happening for 1 hour. Let's review what we've learned. We have the simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tenses. Each one describes actions in the future in different ways. Now, let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct future tense form. Try these sentences. 1. By this time next year, I, blank, graduate from college. 2. At 8 p.m. tonight, I, blank, watch a movie. 3. Tomorrow, I, blank, go to the park. 4. By next month, I, blank, live here for 3. Here are the answers. 1. Will have graduated. 2. Will be watching. 3. Will go. 4. Will have been living. Great job, everyone. Well done. Keep practicing your future tenses and you'll master them in no time. See you next class. If you have found this video helpful, then remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on British language terms.